Welcome back, everybody. This is Good Friday, April 7th. Very beautiful day out here. It was supposed to be cloudy today, Saturday and Sunday. Cloudy, rainy, it's supposed to be horrible, windy and whatnot. But what usually happens is they make these predictions and then the day comes and well, the weather changes. Right now, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. The sun was out. There's clouds in the way, as you can see, and okay, well, but it's still absolutely beautiful. But of course, the main focus of this video is about this very cool Matchbox Volkswagen that is in desperate need of a wheel swap. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I think this was part of the Germany set. Matchbox themed series, which this was part of the German series cars. And just I don't care for the gray plastic or the silver, whatever you want to call it. And then these wheels, no, these were okay, I guess, but with the unpainted chassis and this gray color, it doesn't look that exciting. Well, here's just the mainline version, which is beautiful light blue. All the tempos done up. Tail lights are just well, a little simpler than this one, which actually has the turn signals in the top, on the top, and this simulation of where you could get a chrome piece going across this the vents there. So I thought, well, I could swap the chassis from this one onto that one, but I don't want to ruin one of these beautiful blue ones. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it with the chrome, well, hubcaps and trim rings. Chrome chassis, which gives you the chrome bumpers. Very nice. So that's absolutely beautiful. So I thought, well, this particular one had some very cool gold wheels on it. I thought, well, maybe I could swap it for gold wheels on the Beetle. So I could go like this, and then hold it like this. I don't know. Anyways, I thought, well, that's a possibility. And this is plastic body on a metal base, and I drilled it apart already. And then I thought, okay, well, I gotta drill those out. But then I thought, oh, that's more work than I want to do for just some standard Matchbox wheels. I thought, well, I need some kind of a wheel donation that might look good on this. And then I remembered that, yes, I have this 2-car set from Hot Wheels Premium. Here's a very cool Senna. It's the McLaren Senna, and then we have the McLaren 720S. Absolutely cool cars. This is the 2-car set, Real Riders. Well, if I'm going to do a wheel donation, well, I don't want to mess up this one because it's absolutely cool. Love this car. McLaren Senna, so I'm not going to touch that. But this car, I'm going to show you the body here because I've taken it apart already. I just want to show you the interior. Well, here's the metal chassis. That would be all plastic on the real, or the basic line car. You got this 2-piece interior, which, well, includes the, oh, come on. There's the interior here, and the window unit. And pretty nice detailing. Let's focus here, so not too bad. But the reason why I want to take this apart is get my fingers to work here. Look at that orange peel on the paint. Oh my God, that's horrible. And okay, well, when I saw it in the store, I just saw a bunch of other stuff. So I picked this one, that one, that one, boom. When I got it home, I thought, oh, this is cool. And you know, it'd been later in the evening after I had a few wobbly pops. And then I thought, okay, I'll open this up. And when I looked at it, I go, whoa, oh, how ugly is that? Oh, terrible. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna definitely use these wheels for something else. Well, guess what? Here we have the wheels on this beautiful Beetle here. And now it actually goes great with the gray bumpers and running boards. And this is all held together right now with like Elmer's white glue, whatever brand, Lee Pages, just the white craft glue. You have to glue it together, hold it, and then wait like 24 hours, and then it sets up. And now you can see where I drilled out the rivets there. This is really strong, you know. It's not going to come apart unless you pull it apart. And so for now, you can just mock it up, and this is how it looks with these really cool wheels on it. And now with the white glue, once you set it up and it dries 24 hours, it's pretty strong. I'm not going to press on it, but you can't tear it apart. And this one, I'm going to customize it further. But for now, I think it's absolutely cool. I love how these wheels look on it. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. Well, I could lower this some more. I was thinking going bumperless, cut the bumpers off and make it custom. But anyways, that's my video. That's my cool wheel swap. I think that looks awesome. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.